Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer over your video recordings and your screenshots over to a computer so you can go ahead and edit them and maybe upload them to YouTube or something like that. And this is easy to do. Let's go over to System Settings right here and select this. Scroll on down and we want to go to Data Management. Go to the right. Scroll on down under here. And then we will see a section where we can go ahead and manage our screenshots and videos. Select this. And then you can choose the save location if it's your SD card or the system memory. But if we go on down, we can see there's an option to copy to a computer via USB connection. So you need to connect your Nintendo Switch via USB cable first. Then you can come to this section and select it, and it says please wait. Connect your Nintendo Switch to a computer using a USB cable, okay? And it should show up under here, and you should be able to connect it then. Otherwise, you can go to troubleshooting. All right, connect your Switch directly to the computer's USB, okay? And you should be good to go to transfer on over your information. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.